it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with the Gully God himself and the genius, Stephen, with Bubble and Brace. Obviously, I'm still playing catch up with these reactions. I see them. Obviously, me needs to do them, but I do them in my own time. You understand? So we're there with Mavado and Stephen the Genius, Bubble and Brace. Let's jump in one and you're with the Genius officer now. Let's go.
Pull up! Let's go!
Can I just say, anytime Stephen and Mavado link up, you know see a problem, though? So I'm expecting nothing but problem in this one. Let's go.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen. Well, especially ladies. May I direct your attention to something quite extraordinary. It is with great pleasure and pride.
How is she? Who is she?
Attention, ladies and gentlemen. Well, especially ladies. May I direct your attention to something quite extraordinary. It is with great pleasure and pride that I present to you today another exciting, massive hit from Mavado. With production from hit maker and producer extraordinaire, The Genius. And now...
The production, I ready, dog.
Now I present to you Bubble and Brace.
Girl from me see, not even a fiat. No say it a squeeze from the way you walk.
I'm gonna take out my glass so I can see good.
Wine and brace, but no bumbo clock. Tie it to all guys, only me attack. Money bubble and brace. Give me any one of them, could have fat ass, me no afraid. I'm a clean to me step, I'm a fresh like some just be it. Man,
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Attention, ladies and gentlemen. Well, especially ladies. May I direct your attention to something quite extraordinary. It is with great pleasure and pride that I present to you today another exciting, massive hit from Mavado. With production from hit maker and producer extraordinaire, The Genius. And now I present to you Bubble and Brace.
girl from me see, not even a fiat. No say it a squeeze from the way you walk. When you wine and brace, but no bumbo clock. Tie it to all guys, only me attack. When you bubble and brace, give me any one of them, could have fat ass, me no afraid. I'm a clean to me step, I'm a fresh like some just be it. Man a real bad man, no girl can't sit down to my face. I feel like I'm a place. When she move it, and I wind it up. Girl in my bed, she a shine it up. Nah man, she a sign it up. Oh, girl wine, girl I miss ya. And God knows I miss ya. Up and down and whining so. She give it up on the stool, yeah. I feel rough it up, she back it up on the shoulder. Ready for please me, and up for the moolah. To hold your pussy tight, and buy your gifts from the true love. When you bubble and brace, hey, give me any one of them, could have fat ass, me no afraid. Hey, I'm a clean to me step, I'm a fresh like some just be it. Hey, man a real bad man, no girl can't sit down to my face. I feel like what I'm a place. Move it, and I wind it up. Girl in my bed, she a shine it up. Nah man, she a sign it up. Oh, girl wine, girl I miss ya. And God knows I miss ya. Up and down and whining so. It's real. Say you love me cause of how I make you feel. Got the kind of love to make you go insane. Your pussy tight and it ever feel the same. Girl, wine it, girl, wine it, wine it, wine it. Tell your pum pum tight till you find it. Your gold mine and me want mine it. Girl, wine, you know see it up on time, and you know see it wine one time. Girl, wine, girl, wine, girl, wine, girl, wine. Caribbean girl, wine. England girl, wine. Canadian girl, wine. American girl them wine, Japanese girl them wine. Spanish girl love wine, European wine for the Constantine. And you know see a wine pan time, and your pum pum ever in a line. Girl wine. African girl them wine, European girl them wine, Caribbean girl wine.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go again! 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 Let's go again!
Let me start with Vado first. Vado, we just listen to all the song for go back to the reaction. Cause there's so much things I want to say, but I never want to stop it. Vado, we know say you have the catalog of songs that you don't have to sing a next song in your life again. You're me short, bro. You're zero the game, bro. We know that. But hear me argument. I remember say you have fans out here who want new Vado music. You have fans out here who say Gully God to them dead. Them want new Gully God music. Gully God, what is the hold up with you releasing songs, bro? What want this? So? You know, say anytime you and Steven link up a problem in a dog. Gully God, want the next album, bro? What the fuck I go on, dog? Like, Vado, come on. The ladies in the video, let's go. Let's go, man. Let's break down. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen. Well, especially
First of all,
may I direct
big up the production team. Round of applause. This is genius by the genius. The rhythm is genius by the genius also.
your attention to something quite extraordinary. It is with great pleasure and pride that
Big
I
up the
present to
ladies
you
that were in
today
the video.
another
All of them look
exciting massive hit from
good.
Mavado. With production from hit maker and producer extraordinaire.
Just look at the scene, like look around you, like look on the lens them got you if it do that video the way how it done.
The Genius. And now I present to you Bubble and Brace.
Girl,
You see what I use? You see what I use this up? Eh? Ah!
And now I present to you Bubble and Brace.
girl
CD
from
player.
me see, not even a fiat. No say it a squeeze them.
Look at this shot. Look on them two girls, brother. Tell me now. Oh, me fi be an artist and have them gala in my video and a big pussy. Me have to beg Alright. That one they come out. We shouldn't bring that one there out still. Yeah, me I say. Vado, with a voice like that, like, brother, what you expect, brother? With a voice like that, my fam, what you expect people to want song?
Not even a fiat. No say it a squeeze them from the way you walk.
No, so you sitting and squeeze it from the way you walk. Vice grip.
Fiat. No say it a squeeze them from the way you walk.
Long nose pliers.
When you wine and brace, bad no bumbo clock.
Bad.
Tie it to all guys. Only me attack.
Only me attack. Ladies,
When
ready?
you bubble and brace.
Brace.
Give me any one of them could have fat ass, me no free.
Yes. Give me any one of them. Could have fat or slim. Me no free. Yo. For the ladies, them.
Give me any one of them could have fat ass, me no free.
No.
I'm a clean to me step, I'm a fresh like some just be.
Clean to my step. I'm fresh like some just beard. Give me any one of them. Could have fat or slim. Me no afraid. If she fat, me I edge it. Me I catch it on the bedside and edge it. If she slim, me can, you know.
Man a real bad man, no girl can't sit down to my fear.
No that.
I feel like what I'm a player.
Come out.
When she move it, and I wind it up. Girl in my bed, she a shine it up. Nah man,
Girl on my bed, she a shine it so.
she a shine it up.
Brains.
Oh, girl wine, girl I miss ya. And God knows I miss ya. Up and down and whining so. She give it up on the stool, yeah. I feel rough it up, she back it up on the shoulder.
If you have a girl on a stool, only two positions alone, she can turn enough to make you deal with it rough. Yeah. Only just picture them two positions. Them. Me not gonna describe them.
Oh yeah, I feel rough it up, she back it up on the shoulder. Ready for please me, enough for the moolah. To all your pussy.
She ready for please me, and it's not for the mullah, it's not for the money. She love me. It's not. She don't love me for the money, even though you know, so the money go far away still, but it's not just that.
Ready for please me.
Enough with the moolah.
To hold your pussy tight, no buy your gifts from the jeweler.
Be a Julia. And I forget for Valentine's Day, birthday, or Christmas, you get present, mama. You just get present, so. Yeah, you just get present, so. Talk about the Kiara in the video.
Ready
Talk about that Kiara, classic.
for please
Classic.
me. Enough with the moolah. To hold your pussy tight, no buy your gifts from the jeweler.
Hold on, my chopper.
Hey, any one of them could have fat ass, me no afraid.
None.
Hey, I'm a clean to me step on me fresh like some just be hey, I'm a real bad man, no girl can't sit down to my feet. I feel like what I'm a play.
Come on.
When she move it, and I wind it up. Girl on my bed, she a shine it up. Nah man, she a sign it up. Girl wine, girl I miss ya. And God knows I miss ya. Up and down and whining so. That you love me cause of how I make you feel.
She love me cause I make you feel.
And I love to make you go insane. Your pussy tight and it ever feel the same. Girl,
Girl, you hold tight and it always feel the same. No matter how much time we have, no matter how much time we have sex, you will always feel the same because once you stretch out, it come back the way it really was. It's elastic. Yeah.
tight and it ever feel the same. Girl, wind it, girl, wind it, wind it, wind it.
Hold on. Oh.
Girl, wind it, girl, wind it, wind it, wind it. Girl, your pum pum tight, till you find it. Your gold mine and me want mine it. Girl, wine, you know see you talk one time, and you know see you wine one time. Girl, wine, girl, wine, girl, wine, girl, wine. Caribbean, girl, wine. England, girl, wine.
Watch it, man. No, sir. YouTube don't like a party.
Caribbean, girl, wine.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
England, girl, wine.
I mean, I must breathe that. Oh, must breathe that, brother. Lock down, put my phone on airplane mode. Nobody hear from him.
Caribbean,
Breathe it. Raw dog.
England, girl,
Raw dog.
can hear the young girl wine.
Raw dog.
Girl, them wine. Japanese girl, them wine. Hey. Spanish girl, love wine. Wine for the Constantine. And you know, see your wine one time. And your pum pum ever in a line. Girl, wine. African girl, them wine. European girl, them wine. Caribbean girl, wine.
You got me on my fuse. You mad? No, no. Yeah, me have a question. How man turn fish? How man turn fish seeing them caliber girl in our world? How not do it? How not do it? How man turn fish, brother? I don't know. Stephen the genius. Boy, oh boy, what can I say, sir? Bad. Vado. Bad. My critique is, bro, we need more song, bro. Your song them always hit, bro. Your song them is always, every song you drop, bro, resonate, dog. Walk on, brother. Like, tappy fuck Vado, man. Drop more song, brother, man. Come on, dog. Not do with the listeners like that, man. Come on. Don't do your fans them like that, bro. Come on. With that magical voice, how can we not want more songs? Come on, bro. We need more song, bro. And especially when you see him link up. Oh, got a problem, man. Anyway, I'm going to leave the one right now. So leave a like on the video. Drop a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new. And I will see you guys in the next one. You just brace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.